So 15 painters paint house in 48 hours. Yes. So how many painters will be? We don't know how many X number of painters are required to paint house in 30 hours. So here the time is decreased. So the number of painters should increase, no?
Yes, sir. Indirect proportion.
Inverse proportion. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. What is the formula?
X1, Y1 is equal to X2, Y2.
x2, y2.
Sir, inverse proportion can also called as indirect proportion.
Yeah. So 15 into 48 is equals to x into 30. So shift this 30 to the left side. 15 into 48 by 30 is equal to x. So 15 into 48 by 30 is equal to x means 15 ones are 15 twos are 48 by 2. So again 2 table cancel, 2 ones are 2 24s are. X is equals to how much? 24 painters. So 24 painters are required. 24 painters are required to the same work in 30 hours. Done.